So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make text only lowercase letters here in design wizard. So once you have design wizard open up on your device, what I want you to do is add some text to your design. So I go to the left hand side here, press on text, and then go to either add a heading, add a subheading, or add a paragraph. We're just going to go ahead and select add a heading for this demonstration. Once that is done, what I'll do for you guys is actually drag this a little bit more towards the center, make it a little bit larger in size so you guys can see it a lot easier. Once that is done, I'll press on the text, go to this top bar right here. Then where this capital A and lowercase a is, I want you to go ahead and press on that. And if you press on it once, it'll make it uppercase. And if you press on it one more time, it'll make it all lowercase letters. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can make text only lowercase letters here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.